Hey guys, welcome to iTech Hope. Today we will be looking at the concept of variables in PHP. So let's get started. We we will be covering today's topic in four different parts. So these are our four different parts. What are variables? How to define variables? Naming convention for variable and variable scope. So let's have a look at what are variables. Variables are container for storing information. For example, I take hope. If I ask you what is I take hope, you will be saying it as it's your channel name. So in programming, channel name will act as variable which will be holding the value of I take hope. That is our channel name. So variable can be name of a car or name of a person, height of a person, width of a person. Variable can be anything which will be storing some information in it. So let's have a look at how we can define a variable in PHP. We will be opening new notepad and let's write our PHP script here. PHP. So in PHP, variable name start with dollar. After that we will be defining the variable name. So dollar channel name, in which we will be storing our channel name I take hope, and after writing this we need to put the semicolon. And now let's print this variable to our browser. Echo double quotes specify our variable name. Let's copy this, Control C, let's paste this name, and here we have to put semicolon, and let's execute this script using XAMPP. Firstly you need to start your XAMPP. So here you have to start this Apache and MySQL module, and after that just open your browser. So let's save our script in XAMPP inside htdocs. Let's say test.php. Save. We are using XAMPP server to execute our PHP script. So this is our XAMPP server. Here we need to start this Apache and MySQL module. After that just open the browser and type localhost and our script name. So that is test.php. So here we can see I take hope has been printed on a browser. Here we have passed the I take hope value to variable channel name, and using the echo we have printed that variable, and in browser we can see I take hope has been printed. So this is how you can define the variables in PHP. You just need to start with $, and after that you can specify the name of your variable. And now let's have a look at our third part, that is naming convention for variable. In PHP the variable name cannot start with number. Like if we define new variable dollar and if we type number, this is not allowed in PHP. It is not allowed in PHP. The variable name should start with alphabets or underscore. A variable name can be alphanumeric and it can have underscore in it, like this is 145 underscore this is allowed in PHP. So these are the naming convention for defining the variables in PHP that we should follow, otherwise we will get an error for it. And let's have a look at our fourth module, that is variable scope. In PHP variable have three types of scope. In PHP variables can have three types of scope: local scope, global scope, static scope. So let me show you. Local scope is nothing but if we write some function abcd, and in which we temporarily define some variables according to our need. Let's say dollar name is equal to AB here. Let's print it, echo name, and let's call this function ABCD. In our another video you can find the concept of function in PHP. We will be posting that video very soon. So let's run this code first. Control save. And here you can see iTakeHope is printed. So this is a local variable. If you will print it outside the function, you will not get any output for it. So let's say echo, as is its scope is defined within this function. This is local scope, and if we print it outside, we won't be getting any value. So let's run. So here we can see the error as undefined variable name in C. So this variable is not defined, as this variable $name is local to this function, and outside of it won't be accessible. So this is the concept of local function, which are defined according to our use within a function. So let's have a look at global variables. We can use it in multiple functions according to our need. We just define it once and we use it according to our need. So let's say $name is equal to AB. Now here the $name, we will be removing this. Just type $name. So AB should be printed, right? So let's run this code. So here we are saying AB is printed, and this AB is for this outside the function, and after that we are getting an error, undefined variable name on line number 9. That is, here we are getting an error. To access the global variable inside function, we need to write global $name, global keyword which is used to access the global variable inside a particular function. So we will be able to access this variable inside the function. Now we can access this $name. Let's go here, let's refresh it, and here we can see AB iTakeHope. That is, first this AB has been printed. Now we have called the function ABCD. Here it has came, it found the global $name, which identifies that this is the variable which is using, and using echo statement we are printing this global. So AB, and after that we have printed channel name, that is iTakeHope. So here we can see in output AB and iTakeHope. This is the global variable, and this is how we can access the global variable. And let's have look at our static variable. Static variables are variable, it's like local variable, but we don't want it to get destroyed after the function execution. So we can define the static variable with the help of static keyword. Here we have to write static $name echo. So here after the execution of this function, this variable should get destroyed, but as we have typed static, it won't be destroyed, and when we will call the function next time, the value which was there inside the variable name will be there, and this variable won't get destroyed. So let's have a look at it. Let's remove it. Let's call that function 2 times. Firstly we will be calling without static, and let's have look at it. In name it's AB, so let's have look at it. Control save. Now refresh the page. Undefined variable name in C, test.php line number 1. So let's remove this. Locally let's define this variable, pass it Liverpool echo name. So control save. Let's refresh this page. Liverpool. Hope you guys like our video. Do share our content. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to our channel.